Hello, bachcho. Let's read the question. The question says, which of the following statements are correct about sulfur hexafluoride? All SF bonds are equivalent. SF6 is a planar molecule. Oxidation number of sulfur is the same as the number of electrons of sulfur involved in the bonding. Sulfur has acquired the electronic structure of gas argon. ठीक है? So let's do the question. The molecule is SF6. ठीक है? Here the central atom is sulfur and the electron pair around the central atom is how into valence electron of sulfur is 6 plus 6 monovalent atoms of fluorine, so it is 6, and this 6 electron pair represents sp3d2 hybridization. And because the number of bond pair is also 6, there is no lone pair, and for sp3d2 hybridization the geometry is octahedral. It is octahedral. ठीक है? So it is S F F, the octahedral structure. This is the octahedral structure. Okay, and in octahedral structure all the SF bonds are equivalent. All are equivalent. Okay, so the option A is a correct statement. Now if you see, the molecule is not planar. It is not planar. ठीक है, octahedral geometry is not planar, so this is a wrong statement. ठीक है, ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर हियर, सल्फर का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर कितना है बच्चों? हियर इट इज +6 एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑफ सल्फर इन्वॉल्व इन द बॉन्डिंग. यहाँ पे बॉन्डिंग बच्चों देयर आर टोटल 12 इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर अराउंड द central atom sulfur, out of which 6 are from sulfur. ठीक है, so the oxidation number is same as the electron of sulfur involved in the bonding. So this is also a correct statement. Now sulfur has acquired the electronic structure of argon. बच्चों यहाँ पे sulfur का आपका क्या था? It is 3s2 and 3p4 and 3d0 in ground state. Ground state में ये oxidation आपका electronic configuration था. In excited state, ठीक है, the configuration is, suppose this is the ground state configuration, ठीक है, and 3D is vacant. Okay, so in excited state the configuration is this. ठीक है बच्चों, this is 1, each orbital is having 1 electron. ठीक है, so this is the excited state. So in this excited state, if it is forming with having sp3d2 hybridization and forming 6 bond with 6 fluorine atom. ठीक है, so यहाँ पे आपका configuration क्या हो गया? It is 3s2 3p6 3d2 3d4. ठीक है, 3d4 हो जाएगा बच्चों. तो यहाँ पे दिस इज नॉट द कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ आर्गन. आर्गन का कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्या होता है? इट इज 3s2 3p6. Okay, so this is not attaining the electronic structure of argon due to the excitation of electron to the outer electronic state, that is d orbital में excitation हो रहा है, and it is accommodating more than 8 electrons because the total electrons around sulfur here it is 12. ठीक है, it is accommodating more than 8 electrons around it, therefore it is using the d orbital for the hybridization. So यहाँ पे argon is not the electronic structure that is sulfur is attaining. ठीक है, so this is not the correct statement. So here the correct statement about the sulfur hexafluoride is A and C. I hope you understood well. Best of luck.